Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm gonna do a slime collection. So the first one is
this is awkward, but I mean, if they can do that,
this one.
that's pretty much it for you, isn't it? I mean, you might as well pack it in. Game over.
Dad, what is it? What's going on? I heard a noise. Is somebody downstairs?
Sticky.
Oh God, Meg, you startled me. I'm sorry.
Dad, I can't go through the bed.
And this
Yeah,
one
she's right.
is
We need
pure
to grease her
slime.
up so she doesn't get stuck. Everybody spit on Meg.
Stop! 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 Guys, I meant I can't do it because there are burglars down there.
Come on, they're not gonna touch you. You're covered with spit.
Be
And this
careful,
blue
Meg.
one.
I hate you all.
Hey, I hate you too, bitch. No, just kidding. Can you imagine?
You think it gets better? Like less dark? It doesn't.
You'll find someone to go with you.
No, I won't. I'm so
And
sad.
this light purple one.
Oh,
I should just kill myself.
that's... Come on.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna kill myself. No one will go with me.
Oh. Meg, stop it. Come on. All right, Meg, look. What if I...
Brian, will you go with me?
Are you gonna kill yourself if I don't?
Yeah.
Well, then my hands are pretty much tied.
Oh, Brian, thank you. Oh, I have to buy a new dress. All the ones I have make me look fat.
Oh.
This white one.
But from now on, Meg, the sheer lack of enthusiasm in his voice while she was about to take herself out, man.
Yeah, so that's it.
You and me are secret best friends.
Make sure you guys subscribe and get my likes up too. So bye y'all.